Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 9th, 2015. It's currently in the mid to upper 30s throughout much of the Philadelphia metropolitan area, and temperatures are rapidly rising through the 30s in the New York City metropolitan area, pushing over 40 degrees right over Newark, as we have a warm air mass invading the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with a few showers but generally overcast, cloud cover. As you can see, most of the region is just cloudy, not much in the way of precipitation being uh, reported over the region, even though the radar is far more impressive with a nice little batch of precipitation right over the region. This is what's called Virgo, where precipitation is falling from the clouds but not reaching the ground. For the most part, though, we're looking at some rain showers this morning. Other than that, maybe a few snowflakes mixed in there, but as you can see with the temperatures rising rapidly, really not much of a potential for any real accumulation of ice or snow with this disturbance moving through. Temperatures today will rise through the mid to upper 40s for highs, possibly pushing 50 degrees in some locations. So, as a result, anything that is falling this morning will be water by the time we get to, well, mid morning. And we're going to see some pretty good melting of our snowpack for today. Now, notice the precipitation down here over the southeast and over towards the Gulf Coast. This precipitation will be lifting northward, producing periods of showers for tomorrow afternoon on through early Wednesday morning, with temperatures falling back into the lower to mid 30s for lows by the time we get to Wednesday morning. For the most part, though, all of this will be liquid, so therefore looking just for rain showers and no appreciable accumulation of any snow or sleet with this area of moisture that is building over the southeast and over the Mississippi River Valley. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see the boundary setting up. This is our Arctic boundary that's continuing to lift northward. Then here we have our polar air mass that's in place, and then here's our warmer tropical-like air mass down here over the southeast. More of a continental, marine, tropical air mass over the southeast, producing rather mild temperatures over the southeast and the Mississippi River Valley down through the Gulf Coast, which is to be expected for this time of year. This warm front will slowly push northward and will be the dominant influence for much of this week. Now, temperatures will remain pretty much near to slightly below normal. For example, tomorrow's high only is going to be in the lower to mid 40s, where we should be in the mid to upper 40s for this time of year, but clearly we do not have the same Arctic air mass that we've been dealing with for the past several weeks. Instead, we have an air mass that is moderate in nature and clearly above freezing in the afternoon, which means all of the snow and sleet and ice will be melting away over the next several days. So let's take a look at our latest model guidance from the Penn State UL website. We're going to use the European model guidance for today. Again, a disturbance moving through this morning, sky cloud covered by this afternoon, temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. For tomorrow, look for scattered cloud cover increasing to overcast by tomorrow evening, with periods of showers at times. Looking at temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. For Wednesday, that disturbance moves through in the morning with some showers, followed by scattered cloud cover in the afternoon. Look for temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. For lows, high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, so definitely well above freezing and definitely a pattern that will basically support melting of the snowpack throughout the entire region. Sky cloud cover by the afternoon and evening. Now on Thursday, high pressure will be in control with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and lower to mid 40s for highs. On Friday, an area of low pressure begins to approach the region with increasing clouds and rain by the time we get to the evening. Now low temperatures will be in the lower to mid 20s. High temperatures, though, will be in the lower to mid 40s. And then on Saturday night, this low pressure system will approach the region. Now I'm expecting primarily rain for the coastal regions and urban locations. For the interior, we may be dealing with a little bit of a wintry mix to start off with, but even there, we go over to rain. Temperatures will range on Friday from the lower to mid 20s to start off in the morning, lower to mid 40s in the afternoon. Then by the time we get to Saturday, low temperatures on Saturday in the upper 20s to lower 30s After the storm leaves, lower to mid 40s for highs. Again, primarily a rain threat here for the region. We'll watch out for some of that wintry mix at the very start of this storm. And then on Sunday with high pressure in control, lower to mid 30s are expected for lows and high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen T. Martino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.